Say goodbye to fumbling for your physical insurance card. Easily store your State Farm policy right in your Apple Wallet. First, ensure you have the official State Farm mobile app downloaded and installed on your iPhone and open the app to begin. Log into your State Farm account using your established username and password. If you don't have an online account yet, you'll need to create one through the app or the State Farm website. Once logged in, navigate to the section where your policy information is displayed. This is often labeled as My Policies or similar. Look for an option that says Add to Apple Wallet or a similar button. It might be a small icon or a prominent link directly on your policy details screen. Tap on Add to Apple Wallet. You'll then see a confirmation screen from Apple Wallet detailing the information that will be added, such as your policy number and insurance provider. Review the details and tap the Add button, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Congratulations, your State Farm insurance card is now securely stored in your Apple Wallet, ready for quick and easy access. To access it, simply double-click the side button on your iPhone or Apple Watch. Authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode, and your insurance card will appear. This makes providing proof of insurance a breeze in any situation, all from the convenience of your Apple devices.